Hello everyone. Now we are going to discuss potential difference. One more important topic from our electricity. Potential difference. Potential difference. Here let this is a conductor. This is a conductor. For example, copper wire. Okay, we will use a copper to make the circuits conductor. Lorentz and Drude said that the free electrons, more number of free electrons are present in conductors. When they connected to a source of energy, that means if we connected to a battery, if we connected to the battery, then the charges, all charges or free charges can travel in a specific direction. Specific direction. In which direction? The electrons can move opposite to the direction of electric field. The electrons can travel opposite to the direction of electric field. Electric field can form from positive terminal of the battery to negative terminal of the battery. Then the electrons can travel from negative to positive. Yesterday we discussed then positive charges and negative charges, like this. Okay, right. And then here, so the charge is traveling in a specific direction from let here A, B, the conductor AB, its length consider as L. Its length is L. So a charge is travel from A to B. From A to B. We know that negative charge travel from negative terminal to positive terminal. This is positive. Okay. We have connected to the positive terminal of a battery. This is negative. This side is negative terminal of the battery. We connected a conductor to like this. Okay, positive and negative. Positive terminal length. Then the charges can travel in this direction. Okay, in specific direction. What causes the charge to move in specific direction? That is because of electric field. That is because of electric field. The electric field is created when a battery or when a cell is connected to the conductor. Okay. When because of electric field, then when force is acts on it, that force is electric force. What is causes? Electric force. Then that force is considered as Fc. Right? Sorry, Fe, electric force. Due to that force, the charges travel from A to B. That means it travel L distance. It travel, the distance force is Fe, the length that traveled equal to or distance traveled equal to L. Okay, F, L. Which is done that work, that is done by the electrical energy. So here some work is done by the electric force, which is done then electric force. So how much work is done, sir? The work is commonly we calculated mathematical principle for to know the work, that is F into S. Fs is the principle to calculate the work. Your work done by the energy that is F into S. So work done equal to F E L. This is distance, no? How much distance travel? L distance. Right. This work is done to bring the unit positive charge, unit charge from A to B. This work is done on charge. This is work done on charge. The charge means Q. Right? So how much work done on the charge? Q. Right? That is called as potential difference. Potential difference. Potential difference means work done by the electric force to move the charge for L distance. That means A to B. That is called as potential difference. Okay, then potential difference is designated with a capital V. Potential difference is designated with a V. So mathematical principle, V equal to W by Q. This is the principle, V equal to W by Q. That means we can write like this, W equal to FEL, no, that means FEL by Q also. This is the principle is used to measure the potential difference. Okay, potential difference. So always the charges can, here where the more positive, here this is then positive charge. This is high potential and this is low potential. Right? This is high potential. The positive terminal side is high potential. Negative side low potential. Then the charges, the electrons are traveling from low potential to high potential. Okay, how water is flows from high to low, like that. But electrons or charges can travel from low potential to high potential, low potential to high potential in this direction. Right? Here this is high potential and this is low potential. The potential difference is called this work done to bring a unit positive charge or unit charge from A to B, or otherwise the unit positive charge is from moves work done to move a unit positive charge from infinity to a fixed point. From infinity to a fixed point. Like that we will say the potential difference. Right? Sir, what are the units for potential difference? Units. Sir, units. Right. The units we can write from its mathematical principle only. W by Q. Work by charge. What is a work? Units. In SI system is joules. Q is coulomb. So 1 joule per coulomb. 1 joule per coulomb equal to 1 volt. 1 volt. So the units for potential difference is volt. We will write with V. Then this potential difference is also called as voltage. This potential difference is also called as voltage. Right. Which device we use to measure the potential difference are? Voltmeter. Symbol is V. Always voltmeter can be connected in parallel connection. Okay, which instrument we use to measure the current? That is ammeter. The symbol of ammeter is, this is always connected in series connection. Okay, this is ammeter symbol. This is voltmeter. symbol is, right? Is then which creates the potential difference here? Or what is creates the potential difference here? Cell is creates the potential difference. Cell, and always cell maintains a uniform potential difference. Cell maintains a uniform potential difference. So how it is possible to maintain the potential difference by a cell? So now we are going to discuss that. Okay, potential difference means the work done by the electric force to move a charge for L length. This is simple definition. Okay, right. So how battery can able to maintain the potential difference? Battery contains two plates, okay, and in between that it contains the chemical. It contains the chemical. That chemical is called as electrolyte. So cell contains the two plates. Cell contains the two plates, and it contains the electrolyte. Electrolyte is a chemical. That means chemical it contains. That while a chemical reaction takes place, then positive ions and negative ions. It contains, that chemical contains more positives, negatives, positives and negatives, and positives, negatives, positives, and so and so. Okay, like that. Here the chemical force, this chemical force can separates the, or it sends all positives on one metal plate and all negatives to one metal plate. All positives to one metal plate and all negatives to one metal plate. Okay, all cations, positives, positive charges, and it contains negative charges. No, all positives are called as cations, all negatives are called as anions. Okay, right. All positives are arranged on one plate. All positives. So positive, 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 like this. Which is sending that electric force. Sorry, this chemical force. All negatives are one side. All negatives are one side. Negative, 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 negative. Like this. All negatives are arranged on one plate and all positives are arranged on one plate, which is sending that this chemical force can sense all positives one side, all negatives one side. What is the work of chemical? What is the work of electrolyte? The electrolyte, the chemical force which is present in the electrolyte, that force is send the all positives one side and all negatives one side. All positives one side, all negatives one side. It sends. While sending that, when the already on this plate it contains positive charges, still the electric force, chemical force is sending more positive charges on this plate. And we knows that always like charges or repel each other, and unlike charges or attracts. Okay, then positives, unlike charges, no, then repulsive force is acted that causes to creates a force. That force is called electric force. Electric force due to the repulsion of like charges, then the force created electric force. So here then how many force? Electric force and chemical force. What is the work of chemical force? The chemical force is sends all positives one side, negatives one side. While the number of positives or increases on one plate, or number of negatives are increases on another plate, the electric force becomes increases. Electric force, that means if a number of positives are increases, then repulsive force is increased. Right, here 10 positives are there, and on one plate 20 positives are there. In which case the more repulsive force can act? At where the number of charges are more. Right, here the number of charges going on sending for every minute, every second, the chemical force is sending the charges. All positives are one plate or negatives are one plate, no, then going on sending the chemical force, and then at the same time the electrical force is increases, and finally then electrical force and chemical force becomes equal. Going on sending, electrical force and chemical force becomes equal. When these two forces are becomes equal, then sending of separating of charges will stops. Okay, right. When it initially the chemical force is more, so because of that all charges are separated. Going on, the charges on the plate is increased. Charges on plate is increases. The electrical force becomes increases. Finally, at one case, then electrical force and chemical force becomes equal. In such case, that there is no transformation. And when we purchase the cells in a shops, they are at this position. The newly purchased cell contain cell at this position. Which position? Then electrical force and chemical force are becomes equal. That means there is no transformation. Okay, and when the battery is connected to a conductor, when a battery is connected to a conductor, and we knows that we have discussed that the conductor contains some more free electrons. The Drude and Lorentz said that the conductors contains more number of free electrons, that means negatives. And we knows one thing, sir, these electrons can move this direction or this direction? Yes, they can travel in this direction only. Why? Because negative electrons are in negative charges. These negatives can attract by the positive. Negatives are attracted by the positive only. Right? So these all negatives are attracted towards the positive. Right? Going on these, when we connected it, potential difference is created. Due to this potential difference, all negatives are attracted by the positive charge, and this negative charge comes on the plate on positive side. All positives, here one negative. When negative or came on to the positive plate, then what happened? The chemical force, what is the work of chemical force? Chemical force should send all negatives one side, all positives one side. Then on this positive plate, it contains one negative charge, no? Then this chemical force takes this negative charge and fix it on here. Okay, this chemical force, what it done? Then brings this charge, which is negative charge, which is present on positive plate. This is sent towards it. Again, it sends here. Here one electron is on the positive plate. This one electron is brought towards the negative plate by the chemical force. When one electron comes here, then one electron from the negative charge enters into the conductor. Right, here one electron is fixed on negative. Then here already settled negative charge is there, no? That settled negative charge enters into the conductor. Right, next one and next. So going on, the charges comes here and the negative charge keeps here. When one negative charge is kept on this negative plate, one negative charge enters into the conductor. If two, the two negatives. Like that, always the cyclic model, then one negative enters on this and negative brings the chemical force brings this negative from positive charge to negative charge, and when it is fixed here, already settled negative charge enter into the conductor. Like this it continuously rotates, and finally the how many charges enters on the positive charge, that is equal to the negative charges comes out. 10, when we connect it to the battery, sir, 100 electrons enters on the positive charge, and these 100 electrons are sent to the negative charge by the electrical force, and 100 electrons comes out. 100 electrons enters into the battery and 100 electrons comes out. Then finally the number of free electrons are always constant on the conductor. This is a way to the battery maintains the potential difference, constant potential difference. Right. Okay. When we said the battery is dead, you know, when the chemical force is unable to send the charges to here, then chemical force becomes weaker, then the potential difference it unable to create. Then the cell is said to be dead when chemical force decreases. Okay, this is the way the batteries maintains the potential difference continuously. And here the chemical force is also doing one work. Electrical force, how electrical force is done a work that is called as a potential. Right, always. Then potential difference means what we discussed. Potential difference means the one unit positive charge moves from the work done to bring one unit positive charge from infinity to a fixed point is called as potential difference. Like that, here the chemical force is also doing one work. Chemical force. Then what? Here from here one electron from one charge from positive plate to negative plate. It is bringing. It is applying some force, it is doing one force, chemical electrolyte, the chemical force is also doing one work. What is that work? One negative charge is bringing from positive plate to negative plate. Right? This work is called as EMF. What we call? EMF, that is called as electromotive force. Electromotive force, this is the symbol. Got it? This is about potential difference and electromotive force. This is our class. Thank you.